we have to find the number of real solution of this equation. Since tan inverse 2 tan theta lies between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, and sin inverse 6 tan theta by 9 plus tan square theta lies between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, dividing all of these three by 2, we get this. Now this minus this minus this will be greater than this minus this. This minus this will be greater than this minus this, and this will be less than this minus this. But this is equal to theta, that means theta lies between minus 3 by 4 and 3 pi by 4, minus 3 pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. Let this is alpha. Shifting this 2 on the left hand side, this will become 2 alpha, and this will be sin inverse 6 tan theta by 9 plus tan square theta. Now by using this formula, we can write sin 2 alpha is equal to this. Now by using this formula, we can write sin 2 alpha as 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. 2 will cancel this 6, and here will be 3. Dividing numerator and denominator by 9, we get this. Multiply tan alpha by this right here is equal to this times this. Shift tan theta by 3 on the left hand side, then this becomes tan alpha minus tan theta by 3. Also we shift this on the left hand side and take minus tan alpha tan theta by 3 common from this and this, then there is left tan alpha minus tan theta by 3. Taking tan alpha minus tan theta by 3 common from here and here, we get this. Either this bracket will be equal to 0 or this bracket will be equal to 0. When this bracket is equal to 0, then we get tan alpha is equal to tan theta by 3. When this bracket is equal to 0, then we get tan alpha tan theta by 3 is equal to 1. Shifting tan theta by 3 on the right hand side, we get this. That means tan alpha is equal to 3 by tan theta. Thus, we get two possible values of tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to tan theta by 3 and tan alpha is equal to 3 by tan theta. Since we assumed this as alpha, therefore this will become theta is equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta minus alpha. Taking tan both sides, we get tan theta is equal to tan this angle minus alpha. Now we apply formula for tan A minus B. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A times tan B. Since tan inverse x is equal to x, therefore this will become 2 tan theta. Here also will become 2 tan theta. Case 1. when tan alpha is equal to tan theta by 3, then we put tan theta by 3 in place of tan alpha here, tan alpha here. Then we get tan theta is equal to 5 tan theta by 3 plus 2 tan square theta. After cross multiplication, we get this. Shift this and this on the right hand side and write RHS first. Then we get this. Take 2 common from these two and shift on the right hand side. Then 0 by 2 will be 0. Now we take tan theta common from these two and get this. This implies tan theta 1 minus tan theta 1 plus tan theta is equal to 0. When this is equal to 0, we get theta is equal to 0. When this is equal to 0, then we get theta is equal to pi by 4. When this is equal to 0, then we get theta is equal to minus pi by 4. Because theta lies between minus 3 pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. Thus, in case 1, we get 3 different real solutions. Now we will consider over case 2, tan alpha is equal to 3 by tan theta. Case 2, when tan alpha is equal to 3 by tan theta, then we put this value of tan alpha here and here. Then this becomes this 7 tan theta on the, we shift this 7 tan theta on the left hand side. 2 tan square theta on the left hand side. Then this becomes 5 tan square theta is equal to minus 3. LHS is either positive or 0, but RHS is negative. Therefore, this cannot be possible. Therefore, we cannot find any real solution from this in this case. In case 1, we had found number of solution 3. In case 2, we found number of solution 0. No any solution means number of solution 0. Therefore, total number of solutions will be equal to 3 plus 0 is equal to 3.